Thank you so much.
Hi.
Nobody can miss that energy and that vibe.
I think for me,
I'm grateful and delighted. प्रेम की माला जपते जपते आप बनी नशा, सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पी का नाम, सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पी का नाम, अपने मन की मैं जानूं और पी के मन की राम, सांसों की माला पे सिमरूं मैं पी का नाम।
say, but
Very handsome, extremely handsome. Excuse me, can I get an autograph, please? Can I get an autograph, please?
Here it's an honor for me being in this amazing place in India. It's my first time here, and I enjoy a lot. For this.
Talking about Indian cinema.
What?
Talking about Indian cinema, have you watched any of the films and what are you looking forward to seeing?
The most I love for your cinema is the music, the musicians. I love A.R. Rahman. I love my favorite songs is for Vicky Nondor, Marjayan. I love your culture, your music, and your vibes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Namaskar, Namaskaram, Sat Sri Akal, Salam Alaikum. It's absolutely fabulous to be recognized and appreciated for your work. And I've been singing for 57 years. So it's just wonderful that I get the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Just so prestigious. And so happy to see someone like her, my goodness. It's just marvelous. I'm really happy and proud to be here. Actually overwhelmed. Really overwhelmed. Thank you so much. With all gratitude and all my humility, without all of you, nothing would be possible.
Thank you so much.
हे पुरस्कार यासाठी मला आयोजकांनी बोलवलेलं आहे आणि हा माझा सन्मान मी समजते. मैं समझती हूँ ये बहुत बड़ा सम्मान है मुझे एज अ पॉलिटिशियन, एज अ मिनिस्टर ऐसे कार्यक्रम में सम्मिलित होने का अवसर मिला है. दादा साहब फाल्के जी का योगदान इतना बड़ा है जो एक मिनट में मैं बयान नहीं कर सकती, पर हर जो कलाकार उनके नाम से पुरस्कार पाता है उनका सम्मान बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है, ये मैं समझती हूँ.
Thank you so much.
स्क्रीनिंग हुआ 10 फिल्म मैंने देखा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. दादा साहब फाल्के इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड ये तो बहुत ही बड़ा गर्जियस और ग्लैमरस प्रोग्राम है. इसमें आना, आमंत्रित होना एक बहुत ही गर्व और महसूस की बात होता है. तो मैं बहुत ही गर्व और सम्मानित फील कर रही हूँ. आके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. तो मेरा तरफ से सबको मैं वही बताना चाहूँगी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.
Very thankful to all the jury members for giving me this award. So I am very happy and excited. It's been, yeah, that's what I was saying, that it's been almost 100 years now, almost close to 100 years since the inception of the cinema and the beautiful culture of having songs and story in the films that we have in our country. It's amazing, it's beautiful. Thank you so much.
So I think it's a great feeling to be here and looking forward to the awards and having fun. Sorry? Yeah, I think he's the OG अगर कहा जाए, दादा साहब फाल्के. It all started because of him, right? तो ये बहुत ही बड़ा अवार्ड शो है एंड सबके लिए बहुत ही बड़ा सम्मान भी है ऐसा अवार्ड मिलना, टू गेट दिस ऑनर ऑल्सो. एंड या, सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द अवार्ड्स. थैंक यू.
I do feel very humbled and very honored because the Dada Saheb Phalke International Festival is very special, and to be acknowledged, with the award of contribution to Indian cinema is very, very meaningful indeed. Yeah. Thank you.
not as a producer, like a father to us. And he always blesses us and he takes care of all the problems. Thank you, sir.
और ऐसे मौके पर जब हम 5000 एपिसोड कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं और ऐसे अवार्ड मिल रहे हैं तो ये और खुशी की बात है. थैंक यू एवरीवन.
थैंक यू.
And of course, what? Being here. I'm truly honored to be a part of Dada Saheb Phalke Awards, and it's been an honor. This is my first time, so I'm super. Of course, I went for the screening yesterday also because my short film has been nominated. Here's the director, Sujoy Mukherjee, and that's his wife, Supriya. That's my mother. She's also here. And our short film has been nominated, Hunar, in top 10 films. So we are excited about that. We're keeping our fingers crossed. Hope we win.
Yeah. It's such an honor to be in the top 10 in Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Festival. Hunar is a beautiful film with a very strong message about, the stories about parents' unfulfilled dreams, how they put it on the little shoulders, not realizing the talent within them. So very strong subject, and we got a lovely reaction yesterday from the audience. So let's hope for the best. Thank you, Parul. Thank you. Yeah, come.
Say that it's a great honor to be present here and to be part of such a wonderful event and an initiative, because anything that promotes culture deeply resonates with a person who's part of education, because it's all about educating the society. An honor to be part of something great that would help us achieve that. Thank you.
Extremely prestigious award. I think it's one of the finest that one could get in the Indian cinema fraternity, and I think both of us are delighted to receive
Gratitude, I can say, so.
Absolutely.
Of course.
I think it was, for us, cinema was something that we would look up to. It was the most entertaining factor in our life. And then knowing about Dada Saheb Phalke, the pioneer of Indian cinema.
When you talk about Dada Saheb Phalke, late in my life, I came to know who was the founder, and the godfather of Indian cinema. But for me, cinema was when Ganpati used to be in our area, and there used to be big screens, and on the road we used to watch those. So, and then we saw his first black and white, and I came to know that time. I was completely amazed. So good memories. As you know, childhood memories are very precious. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Forward to the rest of this evening. Thank you.
बस चलता रहा ये शो से लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि हमारे सीज़न में ये अवार्ड मिल रहा है, एंड आई होप मैनी मोर टू कम. थैंक यू.
Really prestigious, and being part of Ye Rishta and such a legacy, I feel proud that we've been awarded this award, and such a big name, Dada Saheb Phalke. From morning I've been excited, and finally we are here.
Yeah, it's truly an honor to be here, and it's like 17 years. Tu nazar na lage. A very long journey, and yeah, we are very happy, proud that we are getting this award. Our show is getting this award.
Thank you. It's from here?
Yeah.
Really excited, and I'm looking forward for the event. So yeah, it's feeling good. First of all, it's an honor to be a part of this great festival, and it's a new experience for me. I am from fashion and women empowerment industry. So yeah, I'm also learning, and it's a huge platform for me as well as a board member, and I'll be thankful to the team and the board members and everyone here. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I'm very glad and feeling honored, especially my family. First time in the awards, my husband came with me. I got many awards, but this is extremely special because more special because my father called me and he said, "ये awards तो बड़े-बड़े film stars को मिल रहा है बेटा, ये आपको मिल रहा है." So for him, it's a big thing. He got emotional that I am getting an award in Dada Saheb Phalke Award. So it's a big thing for me, for my family, and I'm getting this for Mangal Lakshmi. So I am so thankful to Colors TV, to Suzaina Ghai ma'am, who is my producer, content creator of the show, that she has a belief कि जो मैंने past roles किए थे उन्होंने मुझे stereotype नहीं किया और मुझे एक different role दिया जहाँ आज मुझे लोग मंगल के नाम से भी जानते हैं और today I'm getting this for Mangal. So I'm so honored and I'm very blessed. Thank you to the universe, thank you to the Divine Mother, thank you to all of my audiences who love me, who trust my acting capabilities. जो एक जिस trust honesty से मैं अपने किरदारों को निभाती हूँ वो उनके दिल को छुआ और वो मुझे पसंद करते हैं. So thank you so much for watching me, for watching my performances in my shows always. So I'm really grateful. Because of you all, I'm getting this. Thank you. Thank you.
Go for it.
Go for it. Thanks first.
So, honestly, I've heard about this award a lot of times, and this is my very first time here, and I really feel glad and very privileged to be the part of this whole event because there are a lot of renowned names that have actually been associated with this award, and they have actually received it. Today, I come here as someone who was actually, our show is nominated for that, so I'm really happy for that. And it feels really overwhelmed because 4 years back it was a dream, and to go to award function, to be there, to feel the presence over here and give interviews like this, so it feels really surreal, and thank you so much guys for always inviting us to the best of our capacity. Thank you.
I'm really happy. I'm just here to support him because his show is getting an award, and yeah, I'm really happy to be here because I used to see this award function when I was in my hometown, and the way that we are attending it today, it's just very grateful and surreal feeling. So yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Here, it's a prestigious award. It's one of the oldest ones in the fraternity, and yeah, couldn't have been happier to be here. I'm looking forward to the event, the festivities, and it's always nice to come to these events and feel the joy around you. Yes, thank you.
Well, it's a great honor. मी महाराष्ट्राची मुलगी आहे म्हणून दादासाहेब फाल्के अवॉर्ड आहे आणि हे अतिशय आनंदाचा आणि उत्सवाचा गोष्टी आहे की मी इकडे आहे आणि and it's a very honorable thing to even attend something like this. So I'm very glad to be invited here to be a part of this entire organization. Thank you to the Dada Saheb Phalke Award organization and the committee to actually have me here, and I'm looking forward for a fantastic show. Thank you.
I think it's a great honor to be a part of this event. I think it's such a prestigious award, and I'm super excited to be here. I think it's a great platform that showcases Indian cinema and music to the world stage, and I'm truly honored to be here. Thank you.
Icons, legends. So all I can say is very humbled, and yeah, it's amazing to be here. Yes, Mumbai, I want to thank you. Thank this lady, my wife, who put together the show very, very quickly. But I was pleasantly surprised. Mumbai ने बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दे दिया. And now we're already planning again in Feb, Jan on the tour. And thanks to you guys, Parul ji. And yeah, upwards and onwards. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Once से इनके साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, I have hosted for them, I have been supporting them, and I think
the quality with which they present the award is what matters. चाहे वो उनका invitation हो, चाहे दारा साहब फाल्के जी का नाम जो इनके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. In fact, I've met the grandson of दारा साहब फाल्के जी. पहली बार मेरी मुलाकात उनसे इसी प्लेटफॉर्म की वजह से हुई थी and really honored. Thank you. Thank you.
ये इंडस्ट्री का ये नाम एक जान है, एक प्यार है और सिनेमा हमारे ब्लड में है और जब तक हम जिंदा हैं सिनेमा के लिए कुछ ना कुछ करते रहेंगे, गाने लिखते रहेंगे, गाते रहेंगे, बनाते रहेंगे. इतने बनाएंगे कि हमारे मरने के बाद भी हज़ारों साल तक लोग गाने सुने और हमें सिनेमा के थ्रू याद रखें. डेफिनेटली. थैंक यू.
I'm going to be performing tonight here, so it's very special for somebody that's come from a reality show to perform in such a big stage is very special in front of such amazing artists and invitees. बहुत ही ज़्यादा special, so I'm very happy to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
लास्ट ईयर मुझे अवार्ड मिला था, दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड मिला था मुझे और आज मैं सेकंड टाइम जब आया हूँ तो मैं परफॉर्म करने के लिए आया हूँ. सो बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल फीलिंग है और बहुत मायने रखता है मेरे लिए और ये मेरा पहला अवार्ड फंक्शन है जिसमें मैंने आज परफॉर्म किया तो ये मेरे लिए हमेशा यादगार रहने वाला है. सो थैंक यू सो मच दादा साहब फाल्के. विच सॉन्ग यू वांट टू हियर? तुमसे किरण धूप की, तुमसे सियाह रात है, तुम बिन मैं बिन बात का, तुम हो तभी कुछ बात है. थैंक यू सो मच.
To be a part of this beautiful event, Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Awards, and I feel really great and lucky to be a part of this, where all the artists they come together and the cinema is celebrated, music, dance, storytelling all together. So it's absolutely fantastic to be here. Thank you, thank you.
Nishad and Nupur. Nishad is the one who also wrote the film. The simplicity of this film is the best part and that is what I like. And the film is live on YouTube. Please watch it. You can watch it on YouTube. Zaswanda is the name. It means hibiscus flower and please comment your reviews on that. Thank you so much.
Great honor to come here. We are very glad to come to Dada Saheb Phalke Award. And I'm very thankful of Mr. Mohammad Morani Sarji. He's very close to me since 10 years. And he's the son of Kukurla's MLA, Mr. Mangesh Kudalkar. He's Jai Kudalkar. So Jai, can you speak something for 2 minutes for this award?
मोहम्मद भाई ने बोला इसलिए शूट करना चाहता हूँ और इवेंट बहुत अच्छा लगा हमको, ऐसे ही बुला के रहिए सर. थैंक यू.
So he is also very glad to come here and we are very honored to come here. All the best for Dada Saheb Phalke Award and to the entire team. Thank you.
दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड इज़ सच अ प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड. इंडिया का पहला अवार्ड है फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी को लेकर के, तो इससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरती की बात और नहीं हो सकती कि मैं यहाँ पे आ पाई और यहाँ पे जितने भी फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी के दिग्गज हैं उनको अवार्ड जीतते हुए देख पाऊँगी और उम्मीद करती हूँ एक दिन the day will come and I also receive such prestigious award of Indian cinema. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
To be here and I want to see who's winning. It's a prestigious award and I'm looking forward to the event. Every category. I mean, it's very prestigious, so I'm just looking forward to everything that's going to happen tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Then you started looking at the, all the books, all whatever is written onto him. So yeah, so that is one thing you can't. You filmmaking होती नहीं है दादा साहब ने होती.
So happy that I'm here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's really feels very nice, and it's a big honor for us to be here at the Dada Saheb Phalke Awards. The awards just get bigger and better every year, and I wish them all the very best this year as well.
Yeah, I think it's become a big name in the award circle now, so all the best to the organizers. Thank you.
मुझे लगता है कि इंडस्ट्री से जो भी जुड़ा है, चाहे वो एक्टर हो, चाहे वो सिंगर हो, चाहे डांसर हो, हर किसी का ड्रीम होता है कि उसमें शरीक होना, उसमें शिरकत भी मिल जाती है। तो हमें लगता है कि वी आर द ब्लेस्ड वंस कि हम लोग यहाँ पर आए, परफॉर्म किया है। इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग।
I think it's absolutely an honor to be here and to share the stage with her, performing here at Dada Saheb Phalke International Awards. I'm like really blessed. Coming from like a music, film background, it was really exciting to see everybody going on stage, even collecting their awards. It was like a little throwback to my days when I was into filmmaking, still into filmmaking, but like it is a really wonderful stage and really proud to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
much.
It's a great event, and it becomes a reason for all of us to come together, and it's wonderful. I wish everybody who's about to get an award all the best, including us.
Absolutely the same. It's an honor that we're here. Thank you for having us, and hope to see you a year after year. Thank you.
दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड, दादा साहेब फाल्के इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल अवार्ड 2025 का अवार्ड मिला, जो मैंने पहली बार शॉर्ट फिल्म में काम किया था और पहले ही बार में मुझे अवार्ड मिला। बहुत खुशी हो रही है। एक तो दादा साहेब फाल्के जिसने पहली फिल्म की थी, उस नाम का अवार्ड मिल रहा है। आज तक मिले अवार्ड्स मिले, लेकिन इस नाम का मुझे अवार्ड पहली बार मिला है, हमारे फिल्म के लिए मिला है। बहुत खुशी हो रही है, बहुत खुशी हो रही है। और हमारी म्यूट फिल्म थी, मतलब 1903 में राजा हरिश्चंद्र फिल्म बनी थी जो म्यूट फिल्म थी, और हमारी भी म्यूट फिल्म थी। तो एक वो लगता है कि कोइंसिडेंस था। बहुत खुशी हो रही है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
So absolutely a wonderful film festival this one is, and a beautiful award. सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे मज़ा आया दीपिका सिंह को कवर करने में। मतलब आई रियली इन्जॉयड इंटरव्यूइंग हर। वो इतनी मज़ेदार थी, बाकी सारे थोड़ा हिचकिचा के बात कर रहे थे, बट शी वॉज ऑल देयर, आउट देयर। उन्होंने सारी फेवरेट मिठाईज़ बताई, नमकीन वो क्या खाती हैं, ऑफ सेट, ऑन सेट। इट वॉज वेरी नाइस। सो यस, थैंक यू।
First of all, namaste everyone. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much for all the love that you have been showering on me, for all the music that I've been doing. This is definitely a very special moment for me. This is the second time I'm receiving this award. Once I received from the South Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and now receiving it right from the North, and I'm really so happy. You know, receiving an award in the name of this great legend Dada Saheb Phalke, sir, and that itself is a blessing. So I'm really grateful, and I feel truly blessed. Thank you so much.
Sir, what is next? Any of your upcoming projects?
Yeah, there are lots of movies. Happening in different languages, in Telugu, Tamil, and also Hindi. But right now, the current project that we are working on is Ustad Bhagat Singh with Pawan Kalyan sir, which will be the next release. So we're all busy making that, and then a lot of interesting projects which are not titled yet. Also, you'll be knowing very soon, and some very interesting Bollywood movies. Yes. Thank you. Thanks for the love. Thanks to all the media. Love you guys.
It's a wonderful feeling. As I said earlier, that I've had the privilege of being here for the last 4-5 years, in fact. And winning the award, of course, is a very special feeling. To be recognized by the honorable jury is every actor's aspiration, every actor's dream. And for a film like Sector 36, which is so special to all of us who've been a part of it, it's all the more special. Thank you. जी नहीं, बेहद खुश हूँ सर, बहुत अच्छा लगा है। और जैसे आपने कहा कि ये साल वाकई अच्छा रहा है, बस और शुक्र ही कर सकता हूँ मैं ऊपर वाले का, और क्या कर सकता हूँ इस वक्त। एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली जो जनता है हमारी, जो ऑडियंसेस है हमारी, जिन्होंने मेरी फिल्में देखी हैं, मेरा नाम भी रेकमेंड किया है, मेरे काम को पसंद किया है, तो मैं उनका शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा। एक फ़िल्म है मेरी वाइट, जिसकी शूटिंग हम कर रहे हैं इस वक्त। इट्स बेस्ड ऑन द कोलंबियन सिविल वॉर, जिसके बारे में मैंने काफ़ी बात की भी है मीडिया में, तो उसकी शूटिंग चल रही है। और बाकी अगले साल की बातें हम अगले साल करेंगे। थैंक यू।